The lateral ceramic slat sections just connected, and the visual change is dramatic. 3 full sections now united across the lateral mid-zone. Anchor installation closing in fast at the south goal, and the compression ring material stock building up for what looks like a very active few days ahead. Today at Spotify Camp Nou, every zone delivered something genuinely significant. Here is everything from the first half. At the south goal zone, anchor installation has advanced significantly since the last visit. Multiple platforms were active across both the false ceiling section and the esquadra zone, confirming that work in this area did not stop. The anchors are now well advanced across this sector, with only a small number remaining in the far left section. 3 elevated platforms were confirmed, working simultaneously in this zone today, which tells you exactly how seriously this sector is being pushed right now. Green tubes are also being placed along the frontal face of the first cantilever in this section, running the full length of the zone on the iron support framework. These tubes have been seen advancing progressively from the Tribune section toward the south goal over recent weeks, and their presence here confirms the installation is reaching the final sections of the circuit. The south goal nucleus zones on both sides still have no sandwich panels or concrete panels placed, and both remain in a holding pattern. Workers were active inside the nucleus interiors, but the exterior cladding sequence has not yet started in either nucleus here. At the lateral zone, the moment of the update, and arguably the most visually significant change seen in weeks. 3 ceramic slat sections are now confirmed united across the mid-zone. What had been separate individual sections is now one connected visual layer running across the full lateral mid-area. The stadium exterior is starting to look like a finished product in this zone, and every additional section that connects going forward is only going to reinforce that impression further. Standing in front of the lateral today and seeing that connected run of slats is the clearest sign yet of what the full finished exterior is going to look like when every section around the full circuit eventually closes. The compression ring material stock remains consistent with 3 radial beams and 2 pillars staged and ready. A concrete pump was also confirmed on site in the lateral mid-area, today running in parallel with the slat work above. An unidentified structure was also lifted to the 3rd cantilever level by the crane tower in this zone, with the exact purpose unclear from the current viewing angle. But the movement confirms the 3rd cantilever is receiving material and attention simultaneously, with everything happening at the lower levels. At the lateral corner, reinforcement bar work was observed actively underway in what appears to be the early formation of the diamond structure in this zone. Workers with measuring equipment were present, confirming precise positioning work is underway. This is earlier than many expected and warrants very close attention in the coming days. If this is the beginning of the diamond formation sequence at the lateral corner, it represents a significant new phase, opening up in a zone that has been quietly waiting for a long time. That is everything for part 1. 3 slat sections connected at the lateral. South goal anchors closing in fast, and the lateral corner diamond potentially beginning to take shape. Part 2 is coming right up with the north goal, Tribune, cafeteria diamond, and the interior 2nd cantilever update. Do not miss it.